Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have an unboxing from Etsy for you today and I'm so excited about this. They are seedling plants, so they're very tiny and I'm hoping to grow them into big specimens. But let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Hopefully they arrive perfectly fine and there's no issue. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and open them. Don't mind the veggies. This is from some of our harvests. I'm just trying to, I guess, like harvest everything before we get our first frost and start removing plants. Our first frost date is in October, but obviously it can happen sooner. But we're just trying to regularly harvest and utilize our crop and preserve our crop, you know, on things that can be easily preserved that we actually would want to eat. So that's why all those are there. They're waiting to be handled, preserved, or eaten or given away. All right, that's my shipping. All right, so let's see. There's a great way to get this open. You know what? I'm not feeling good enough to rip this box apart, so let me go get some scissors real quick. Usually I just like rip it. No, I need some scissors today. Okay, kitchen scissors. So I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos about my greenhouse outside, but I took a lot of, did I take all of them? I think I took all or almost all of my Anthuriums out into my greenhouse and they are doing so good. They've grown so much and two of them are currently flowering. So I'm trying to collect pollen and I'm going to try to get seeds. So I'm looking forward to that, which brings me to what I ordered, which is seedlings from, or Anthurium seedlings from Etsy. So let's see. I gotta be careful. Okay, so they're in this bubble. Ooh, uh-oh. Okay, they all fell out. All right. Oh my gosh, look how cutely packaged. Look at that. That is so cute. That's like the best packaging right there. So I got 4, and these are some Anthurium Seedling hybrids. I chose them because of the pictures, really, because of what the mother and father plant look like. Let me see. Okay, so I got 4. Now let me read what they are to you, what the crosses are. I ordered from Hershey's Houseplants. We've got 4 of these. This is the cutest packaging I've ever seen. All right, let's bring them back over here. The cutest, and like literally, nothing's gonna move in this thing. We've got the cotton. These have little lids on them, and they're taped shut. Like, come on now. All right, so we've got, and pardon my pronunciation of these. We've got Anthurium Bessier long. Oh gosh, wait a minute, let me see. Bessier cross with, oh Lord, you know what? I'm just gonna put what they put down on the screen because it's abbreviated and I don't know all these abbreviations. Okay, so this one, I'll just start. This one is a Bessier cross, Anthurium Bessier cross. This one is Carla Dress cross with I don't know what that is. And the Necromancer Dreamweaver cross. This one is Carla. Okay, this is Carla Amanda crossed with something else. Regal Seedling RLFS. I need to look this up. I need to know those things. They even have a little thing for care tips. So you can do that and get some care tips for these guys. But let's open them up and see how big or tiny these seedlings actually are. As a plant person who has ordered many plants online, I appreciate this packaging. I appreciate the labeling of these. If they didn't label them, there's no way buying this many, there's no way I would know what they were until they probably grew up a bit. But let's see. I am gonna get this person's care tips for sure. I love Anthuriums and I have some, but I've never had Anthuriums this tiny. So these are typically grown in very high humidity, and I don't have that in my house right now. Let's get this back there. Look at this tiny babe. So cute. Delicate for sure. 2 leaves. I'm not gonna take this out of here at all. This, because it's packaged so well, I'm gonna leave it in this like until it gets big enough to be transplanted. So I'm gonna leave it in here with this little humidity dome. The way I will water this is just to miss the sphagnum moss. And then I would keep this, come on little lid, and keep it in this high humidity. Once I'm ready or feel like the plant is ready to transition into like normal, like household humidity, then I'll start taking this off for periods of time during the day to transition it to normal house humidity. However, I always keep a whole house humidifier going in the winter time. So where this plant will be, by the time that I'm taking this lid off to transition it, I am gonna have an extra, like a humidifier going at that time. So hopefully it won't struggle with that transition. All right, so let's open up this Regale. I need to know what these abbreviations are. I need to know where they got these little pots and lids, because this is just amazing. All right, let's see ya. Let's see a little leaf. We can uncover you. They're so cute and tiny, and they look exactly the same. This one looks just like that one. So just so happy that they're labeled. Perfect. Look at that. Looks exactly like the other. Oh, so adorable. These are gonna go on my Vego shelf because the grow lights are really nice there. Next one, this is the Carla dress. So it's like, this one is like hybridized twice. So it's Carla dress crossed with RLFS, which is also crossed with Necromancer Dreamweaver. So yeah. Get this tip off. I'm very judgy when it comes to shipping plants and that kind of stuff, because I have ordered so many plants and that have been just shipped so poorly, which is one reason why like I'm afraid to ship plants, because I don't want to be one of those people who ship plants just extremely poorly. Like, I know I wouldn't be, but I don't ever want somebody to get a plant and it's just, when they open the box, it's just dirt and the plant's all over the place. Like, I don't want that. So otherwise I probably would sell some plants. I've thought about it, but I don't know. I can see some roots in this one. This one has some good roots growing down here and on the side. Alright. The only reason I'm doing this video with a cold is because I have to unbox these things, and I was planning on showing you guys this, and I wanted to unbox them with you. So now you have to deal with my cold and I have to deal with it too, unfortunately. I'm sorry. This seedling feels a lot stronger. It's got a lot more leaves. And then we did see the roots down below. It does look like they have cut off some damaged parts to the leaf. Could have been yellowing out. That's normal for people to like cut off the yellowing portion. Not necessarily a bad thing, it's just a cosmetic thing. I understand that leaves die off, but hopefully some of these newer leaves won't do that and they'll keep growing and look gorgeous. So this one is a Carla cross with the RLFS, which I need to look up and see what that is. And I'm gonna check back on their website for that. F2, so that might be like the second generation of crossing, maybe. Oh my gosh, my throat is dry, so dry. Good grief. Okay, so let's put these guys onto the Vego shelf and find them some room. I've got a lot of stuff over there right now that's propagating and just new things I brought in the house. So let's go check it out. Hi. Hi. They look rather cute on this shelf. So here they go. These little pots are so adorable. I just can't handle this and that it has a lid on it. So again, to water these, I'll just get a spray bottle and mist the moss in here. And I'm gonna check the care tips on his website and see like if he suggests anything, he or she suggests anything differently, then I will do that instead. One thing I've learned over the years is if someone gives you really good advice, especially about taking care of plants, like try out their advice. If you don't know exactly what you're doing, definitely look for some advice. Go online, go to Google, go to wherever you got your plant from, and try out that advice. But yeah, they all look really good, healthy little seedlings. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link to the shop so that you can check out these hybrids for yourself. They also have a lot more hybrids on their website, and I had a good coupon. I think I got them 25% off. Each one was 25% off. So that was kind of one of the big factors that got me to push purchase on this. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.